Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Photos to the Samsung Gallery. So firstly, let me open my gallery. As you can see, I have nothing here, even in albums or stories, just empty space. Now, open Google Photos. Then you need to click at the profile icon at the right top and firstly make sure that you use your correct account. You can click at the arrow icon near to your account and you can switch to another account. You will see under your main account what's selected. You will see another account if you add it. Or you can add account by click add another account. After that, you need to also turn on the backup. So if you didn't it before, when you just set up this application, you can do this right now. Again, you need to click at the profile icon and then click turn on backup. I want to keep my memory safe, so I turn on backup here. Then also I recommend you to click at the profile icon, go to the photo settings, backup, and right here we have backup account. Make sure that you have your account if you use multiple accounts in Google Photos. And also we have backup quality. So we have two options, original quality and storage saver. If you want to save some space, click storage saver, select it, or original quality. Then we can now finally upload these photos to the gallery. You need to select, if you want to upload one photo, just click on it, then three dots at the right top and click download. Then, as you can see, we have it in the gallery. If you try to download this photo again, you click at the three dots, and as you can see right here we have now option delete from this device, not download. If you want to save multiple photos, just select them, and then right here you need to scroll and select download. Okay, and you will have them at the at your gallery. And also, if you use mobile internet, I recommend you to click at the profile icon, go to the photo settings, then backup, scroll down, and oh, actually we haven't it here, or we have oh. So on the Samsung and the application we have mobile data usage, click at this line and then you can select the limit. I want to unlimit it and I want to back up my videos and while roaming also. But it's up to you, you can disable this mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.